See how I made one stew for 3 meals in one day. I felt like eating soy braised white radishes today. This simple vegetarian stew is perfect as a base dish for so many things. The key flavors are in the braising soup. I made it in the morning and then I had it as a snack. I then used the sauce for a lo mein styled lunch, served on top of soba, but you can use any type of noodles. And then I added pan-fried beef chunks to the stew to serve on rice for dinner. This is literally the dish that keeps on giving. What you'll need is 1 whole onion, 1 whole white radish, 2 whole carrots, and 1 bulb of fresh garlic. For the sauce base, I used sweetened soy sauce, cooking wine, sesame oil, 5 cups of water, oyster sauce, 1 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, 5 red dates, and rock sugar. Be sure to peel the radish deeper as the skin is quite thick. Chop your carrots and radish into bite-sized chunks, like this. I will caramelize the onions and garlic first. Then add in the carrots and radish. Boil it together on medium heat for an hour or until the radish and carrots are soft. I'll continue to reheat and boil this throughout the day. The longer this boils, the more delicious it becomes. The flavors all seep into the vegetables, making it so yummy. Once you have the stew and soup base, you can get super creative on how to use this for other dishes. Happy stew making, and see you next time!